Hi, I'm Bambam Birayo, 18 years old, outside hitter. So, I started volleyball when I was in grade 4. Parang tinawag lang ako ng coach sa school namin kasi tangkad ako nun. Sa province, matangkad po ako. Tapos, at first, ano naman, full support lang yung dad ko about it. But then, nagka-dengue ako. Kasi, parang ganun lang po ako. Payat ko. Tapos, gabi palagi yung training. So, nagka-dengue ako and then I stopped. Tapos, parang nagka-liga. Yung mga tita and tito ko, they're playing volleyball. They're volleyball players. So, sumali ako, libero ako noon. Kasi mga matatanda yung naglalaro. So, sobrang ano lang, salingkit-kit lang ako. Pinapasok lang ako, pero tinatakpan lang din ako para lang sa likod lang ako. Ganun. So, ano siya, fun experience lang siya. Tapos natuwa lang din ako. Hanggang sa nung grade 5 ako, nakaabot ako ng regional meet sa amin, sa province. Tapos, parang first heartbreak ko ata yun. Wow, heartbreak agad. Kasi as a kid naman, parang umabot ka sa ganong level of competition. Malaking bagay na yan. And then, kung grade 6, magko-compete na sana kami for palarong pambansa, but then, pandemic happened. So, doon ko din na-realize na para sa akin yung volleyball kasi nag-invest ako. Kasi kahit pandemic, parang I'm really trying na hindi mawala yung laro ko sa volleyball. Ganun. Describe my athletic journey in a few words. Siguro full of sacrifices. Kasi ever since I started playing, parang sacrifice talaga yung kailangan kong gawin. Siguro, being far from my family, yung time na ilalaan mo sa training, sa tournaments, missing family occasions for volleyball. So, sacrifices. Yun, full of sacrifices. Siguro, yun na nga. This year's performance, aside from being a season MVP, siguro, winning a 4 out of 5 major tournament sa Philippines. It's all national competition, siguro po. On my last playing year sa high school. So, sobrang, ano siya, sobrang unexpected for me sa journey ko, I would say. Kasi I never expected na matatapos ko yung high school career ko in that way. But aside from that, I'm grateful kasi binigay ni Lord yun. So, ayun. Ooh, the one and only, Manang Bernadette Pons. Ano po, she's one of the reason why na-push ako mag-Manila. She is one of the person who talked to me and told me to grab the opportunity kasi hindi siya dumadating lang ng basta-basta. Ayan. So, I'm really grateful for her. Kaya din, whenever nananalo kami, like nung nag-MVP ako, I always message her and thank her. Ako hindi dahil sa kanya, hindi niya ako kinausap to push through my Manila dream. Wala ako dito ngayon. Always take accountable of your own actions. Parang whatever happens in your life, it's your fault. You never blame anyone because at the end of the day, it's you. Parang it will never happen to you unless you allow it to happen to you. So, it helped me a lot then sa journey ko sa volleyball kasi I always make sure that na maayos ako personally because I don't blame anyone but myself. Kasi wala naman ibang tutulong sa akin kundi yung sarili ko. Tsaka hindi naman din mangyayari sa akin yun kung hindi ko hahayaan na mangyari lang sa akin yun. Hobbies, online games po. I play COD. Pag off-season, yun lang. Kasi yun lang pwede hindi naman ako nagpupuyat. But aside from that, I love going on a date alone. Like, happy ba yun? Gumala. Gumastos. Ayun, I love exploring Manila din. Na mag-isa, lakad-lakad lang ako somewhere. Tapos, parang connecting with Mother Nature. Mother Nature. To valuable parents out there, I, siguro, you trust the process. Always believe that your time will come. Just put on hard work and be faithful in God. Kasi your time will come.